Welcome to Silent Sector, where our governance, risk management, and compliance turn uncertainty into opportunity. Our experience and certifications enable companies to break through growth ceilings by overcoming compliance limitations. Build a custom GRC program that enables you to drive authority over competitors and seize new opportunities. Secure new contracts by meeting the security and regulatory requirements your industry demands. Meet compliance goals faster with guidance from cybersecurity experts who support your internal team members. Breeze through audits for HIPAA, GDPR, FedRAMP, SOC, and other compliance standards. Our track record speaks volumes. With over 7 years of delivering strategic cybersecurity and more than 100 satisfied clients, we're your trusted partner to elevate your GRC posture. Don't let compliance be your bottleneck. With Silent Sector, it's your stepping stone to new heights. Ready to transform your GRC challenges into opportunities? Contact Silent Sector today.